every day's a quest to find the newest technology in video games.
With us being a new channel, we really appreciate your support. So do us a favor and like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And here we go.
Hey friends, welcome back to Quest4tech. Today we're unboxing our new command center for Quest4tech. It was time to upgrade the computer, or more importantly, to get a desktop computer to handle the workload for all the videos we're pushing out for you guys. And we decided to go with the Dell Alienware Aurora R11. We did order a custom build from Dell, so let's get it unboxed and see how it looks. It looks like the keyboard that they give you, power cord, corded regular mouse that they give you. Wow, that looks pretty boring. So this is our new Alienware Aurora R11. Comes with just a basic wired keyboard, basic wired mouse. We did get the better Alienware gaming keyboard with it, which I'll show you in a second. Then obviously it just has your power cord and your little startup guide. Not gonna open it up on this video just yet. You're gonna get it, hooked up and in its right place and everything. We just wanted to give you a quick unboxing and show you what came with it, so more to come. For the record, we are not huge computer geniuses. Definitely learning more as we go along. Hopefully we picked a decent rig that is able to do video editing and obviously do some PC gaming, some gaming captures, and then streaming. So I will put the specs that we want with on the screen right about now. Took us a while to customize it. We did go with the RTX 3070. 3080 was a little bit more expensive. Well, actually a lot more expensive. And we decided to go with the 3070 with the 32 gigs of RAM as opposed to the 3080 with only 16 gigs of RAM. Intel Core i7, 512 SSD, and then a 2 terabyte HDD. So should be enough power for what we need. Still have a pretty nice laptop. We're using the HP Spectre. That's what we've been making all our videos with before. But throwing more and more content at it, having it run multiple monitors and just run everything. We did start to see a little bit of lag on it, so I figured, all right, let's just go ahead and get a desktop to run everything. So on the back, it has 6 USB 2.0s, 1 USB 3.2 Gen C Type C. It has 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C adapter. It has 1 Gen 2 USB. It has 3 Gen 1 USB 3.2s, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2, and 1 USB 3.2 Type C, 6 USB 2.0s, and all your audio and mic ports at the bottom. And then here's the other side. So it has 1, 2, 3 vents for cooling. Really nice design. So it took about 2 weeks to get it. So we also decided to go with the Alienware 510K mechanical keyboard instead of the traditional one that they give you. So so it is a wired keyboard. Looks like about a 6-foot cable. Alright, so that is the setup we decided to go with, and hopefully it brings us many great videos, and hopefully we learn more about it as we continue to use it. If you guys got any tips, send us a message. We are all ears and open to learning as much as you know. And yeah, we'll do reviews as we go along. As soon as we get it hooked up, we'll show some stuff in action, benchmarks, some gameplay, whatnot, and yeah. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate you questing with us. Do us a favor and like the video and subscribe to the channel to help us grow. Don't forget, we are running our contest for Best Buy gift cards. If you want to win a Best Buy card, all you have to do is like the video, be a subscriber, and let us know in the comments a product or device that you'd like to see us review sometime in 2021. And we'll be giving away those gift cards to random winners as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers. So tell a friend, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned because we got some really cool prizes this year. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Stay safe. Happy New Year, and never stop questing. Peace.